So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside though, you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the bottom, the fuel gauge, and above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 79,460. You can change the information that's displayed there by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have phone and stereo controls. The main stereo in the centre and all your buttons that you'll need just there, and the screen above it. As you can see, we have satellite navigation in this car. We've also got CD player. We've got auxiliary input, USB input, and Bluetooth audio, all of which can be accessed by hitting the aux button on the main stereo, which I'll show you in just a moment. We've got the radio, FM. We've also got DAB, as you can see, and AM as well. And of course, you can pair your phone up to the car. And as I said, all of that is done using the buttons just here. With the main volume for the stereo, deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. We have the air conditioning. You can adjust the temperature, the direction the air is being distributed in, the fan speed, and of course then you can turn the air conditioning off in this case, or back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set over here. We've also got a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen. This button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn saves you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. We have your 5-speed manual gearbox, 12-volt charging socket, and then your auxiliary and USB inputs. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.